I welcome all of you to Food Savory. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for visiting us again. If you are a new visitor, please do subscribe to our channel. Today I'd be making bread upma for you. So let's directly jump into my kitchen and see the making of bread upma. We would be making bread upma from the leftover bread. Ingredients needed for bread upma: 2 chopped chilies, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon urad dal, 3/4 to 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Cut the bread into small pieces like this. Continue watching the video till the end to see the making of bread upma. If you haven't subscribed to Food Savory yet, please do not forget to subscribe. We won't be using much of water for making our bread upma. We will just be using little water while sauteing our tomatoes and onions to cook it till we get a thick paste-like consistency. We have cut our bread into small pieces. Now let's do some tempering in a pan before we put all these contents in different stages. Onto a hot pan, we add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. I have made use of coconut oil over here. When the oil starts getting heated up, I add 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, followed by mustard seeds and split urad dal. Now that we have added all the initial ingredients for tempering, we will add some kadhi patta or curry leaves. Keep stirring it well, we don't want the ingredients to get burnt. Now it's time to add chopped onions. Keep mixing it well. I have added about 1 medium-sized chopped onion. And in goes 1 medium-sized chopped tomato. Now we'll close the pan with a lid till our tomatoes turn mushy. Keep it in medium-low flame for about 2 minutes. It's over 2 minutes, we remove the lid and give it a good stir. We'll close the pan with the lid for 1 more minute. Now our tomatoes are mushy, we add about half glass of water to this. We want a thick paste-like consistency. Forward to add the green chilies while tempering, adding it now. At this point I add about half tablespoon of oil once again. Give these ingredients a good mix. Time to add some salt. I add about 1 teaspoon of salt to this. Give it a good mix. I'm adding about half glass of water once again. At this point, in goes half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of chili powder. Mix the content well. Adjust the salt and spice level as per your taste. Now it's time to add bread pieces to this. Give it a good mix. Mix it till the onion and tomato paste form a proper coating on the bread. At this point, we'll sprinkle some water on top of the bread. This will help the onion and tomato sauce to form a proper coating on top of the bread. Remember not to sprinkle too much of water. We don't want our bread upma to be soggy. Allow the bread upma to get fried in a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. If we follow this process, our bread upma would taste great. After 2 to 3 minutes of deep frying, I squeeze out the juice from 1 medium-sized lime into it. Now it's time to mix it well. Our bread upma is ready now and time to garnish it with some coriander leaves. Our bread upma looks very tempting and I'm getting a very good aroma from it. Our bread upma is fully ready now, time to transfer it into a plate. Looks very tempting to me and I feel very hungry seeing this. How about you? Do try this recipe and let me know how you like the bread upma. Thank you for watching Food Savory and do not forget to subscribe the channel.